how to contact live chat support on booking.com. Go to the website, then right here make sure you are signed into your account, and you just want to click on the question mark next to list your properties or contact customer service. This is going to take you to a page with all of your previous stays. You want to scroll down until you see the option I can't find my booking. If you want to contact them about any of your previous stays, you can just click on that, but I'm going to click on I can't find my booking. Then you will need to select a category here. So again, I'm going to click on stays, and you will see need to contact someone if you can't find your booking details, so on and so forth. You have the option of messaging customer service. So we're going to click on message customer service. And right here, it's going to show you your email address and you can type your message. Afterwards, you will go ahead and click on send, and they will contact you on your associated email address. And that's how you contact support. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.